Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the docking port is powered and unlocked. This prevents wasted attempts. Once done, set your approach vector to the port and choose an initial closure speed of 0. 5m/s so inertia is manageable. Make sure RCS is online, autopilot on standby, and sensors, cameras, and LiDAR are active. These give precise relative position. Begin the burn now, keep thrust light, and watch the HUD markers, while maintaining attitude within 2 degrees to avoid torque-induced drift. You continue by using autopilot to bring you inside 30m, which reduces pilot workload while keeping corrections small. At 30m, take manual control to fine-tune lateral velocity and rotation, match target rotation to within 0. 1 degrees and lateral speed within 0. 0.5m/s so docking rings align cleanly. Use approach cones and depth LiDAR to center your nose, and nudge with short RCS pulses rather than long burns. This minimizes overshoot. You make soft contact at roughly 0. 1 to 0. 2m/s, hold steady, and engage the primary latches immediately so the structure stabilizes. Once latched, initiate power and data handshakes to confirm connections, then equalize pressure across the interface before opening hatches. This prevents seal damage. Verify mechanical lock indicators and run a quick diagnostics loop. If alignment fails or latches won't engage, cycle the clamps and apply controlled manual RCS bursts to recenter. This usually corrects small misalignments without aborting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.